Just checked in to this wonderful place that you can see. When we came here, we realized that the best way to stay here is Airbnbs and homestays, because as you can see around me, this area, most of Madikeri is these quaint homestays, where you can just, stay with the local families, and they have private rooms, not very expensive, very nice. We are lucky that in holiday season we got a last minute place, which is very difficult. I suggest book in advance. And seriously speaking, we got a damn good deal here because the place is amazing. I'll just take you for a small tour. It's someone's house. So yeah, it's like on the first floor. I think they live on the ground floor. And I'll just show you the place. So when you walk in, it's a small table over here, which is really cool. Then there's a nice sitting area, a big dining table with nice fish inside, a small kitchen area where if you want to make tea and coffee with this really nice, just check it out. The place has great character. And then there's a fridge. There's nothing in it apart from a fruity which the guy left for us. And then here there's a small room where I'm staying, and it's just a single room with the bathroom, and that's about it. Quite a nice, quaint little place. I suggest, like I told you, whenever you come here, do a homestay. Actually, try to mix it up a bit. Do a bit of homestay, trekking, because Madikeri Coorg is known for its coffee estates and yeah, just lush greenery all around you.